Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Mari. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while again, but I guess that's just kind of how this year is going. You know, it's been a very weird year. Anyway, today's a very special video. I'm so excited, and I'm sure you already know because you read the title. But I got something in the mail. Ah! If you're new to my channel, probably not that new because I haven't really been making videos, but I started making YouTube videos in 2014. It's something that I never ever thought I would do. If you know me in person, you know that I'm not super outgoing. I don't like being the center of attention. I'm an introvert. So the whole idea of me making videos has always been really weird, but I originally started just because I wanted to help people travel and I wanted to just share some knowledge that I learned when I was traveling. And when I was traveling, I really enjoyed watching videos to learn information, so I thought, you know, I should give back and help other people travel. So that's kind of how it started. And also a big reason why I kept going was just I really have enjoyed connecting with you guys and seeing you go on traveling trips and just kind of meeting you in random parts of the world, and I've just really enjoyed the whole journey. Thank you to every one of you who have subscribed and who have been watching since 2014, if there's any of you still around. It's been a wild time, never could predict any of the things that have happened. I'm gonna get to the exciting part now because I really want to open this box. So YouTube gives you a plaque when you reach 100,000 subscribers. I don't think I'll ever get to 1,000,000 subscribers. I just don't make enough videos, to be honest, but 100,000 was always a really big goal because I knew you'd get the plaque, and it just felt like, it feels like a really good, like, you know, piece of evidence of my accomplishment and all of the hard work. Because making videos, if any of you make videos, you know it takes so much work and so many hours of editing and all of that. So it actually feels like a really good memento of just everything that's happened over the past 6.5 years. So, okay, I don't really know. You've probably seen other people unbox these, but now you're just gonna watch me do it. Okay. This is fun, guys. Is this an interesting video? Probably not. Probably should have done something more exciting for 100,000 subscribers. Like a big, like, rah! But, you know, this year is just, you know, I'm just keeping it low key. Anyways, okay, let's, dun 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 dun. Oh, okay. Well, it's well protected. Ooh. You get a little card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This package was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick. Oh, and they give you a letter. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Your 1,000th? I don't remember who my first subscriber was. Maybe like my mom or something? Oh, that's a nice little letter. And here is the award. Ooh. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah. I will say it came really fast. First of all, I had to apply for it. I thought maybe once you reach 100, they'll just like automatically send it to you, but you kind of have to like go online and be like, hey, give me an award. At least I did, but once I did that, it came super fast. And all the way to New Zealand. They shipped it here, which is great. Whoa. Yeah, it's my play button, my silver play button. I'm just like, whoa, it's like a mirror. Wow. Presented to Mari Johnson for passing 100,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I just don't even know what to say. This feels really, 100,000 people is a lot. I know some people start YouTube and get to 100,000 like really quickly. For me, that was not the case. I honestly haven't really cared too much about the numbers. Like, it's not like I'm doing it just for the numbers, you know, but I don't know. Yeah, like I said, it just feels like a nice physical recognition of all of the hours I've put in. So that's really nice, because it's not like I make a lot of money doing YouTube, very little, but yeah. Anyway, I'm very excited about this. I'll just hold it now. Okay. Anyway, how are you guys all doing? It's, again, been a weird year. Let me know in the comments what you've been up to, if you've been doing anything good. The holidays are coming up, which, sorry about the sirens in the background, by the way. I know for a lot of you this year is going to be pretty weird and maybe lonely, and just know I'm thinking of you and I hope you're okay and I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. It's summertime here in New Zealand. However, in Wellington where I live, it's been pretty rainy. It's very windy. Doesn't quite feel like summer yet. Over Christmas, Nick and I are going to do a little road trip down to the South Island and stuff, so that will be fun. Don't know that I'll film it, but maybe, yeah, I don't know. We did go on a little hike a couple of weekends ago. It's called the Petuna Chasm, and it's like an hour and a half from Wellington. It was really cool. It's like you walk, it's a private land, so you have to pay to do it. I normally don't really like paying for stuff like that, but this was actually, I felt really worth it. So, not sponsored, by the way, I just enjoyed it. I don't even know how to describe it, but you're basically just like out in this farmland, but then you go into like this little, like, I guess chasm, if you will, and you're kind of walking through a river. Not a river, maybe like a stream-ish type of thing. And you're in these walls. I can't really explain, but Nick and I did film a little bit while we were down there, so here's a little bit of that. Pretty cool, right? If you're around the Wellington area, I highly recommend it. This year, yeah, I haven't really been making a lot of videos. I think it's just been a weird year, you know, and I just haven't really felt like it. Haven't really been traveling, so the motivation hasn't quite been there to make videos of just my normal life, because that's not inspiring to me, and I don't know if you would find that interesting. It's weird because it has been such a big part of my life for the past 6.5 years, but I've also been enjoying like the free time. But if there are videos you want to see, or if I do decide to make more videos, I'd like to know what you want to see. So what kind of videos would you like? Would you like more kind of travel vlog or hiking vlog type videos like I've done in the past, or maybe more just like kind of tutorial videos like how to do something, or travel tips or hiking tips? So if you could let me know in the comments, that would be awesome. Anyway, I think that about wraps it up for this video, and thank you again. Thank you so much. It just means so much to me that you guys have stuck around, and or if you're new or whatever, if you're just dropping by, hey. Yeah, I couldn't have done it without you, and gotta love when the battery runs out right before you finish. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you're all well, and happy holidays, and I'll see you when I see you, probably in 2021 at some point. Alright, take care. Thanks for watching. Happy travels, happy hiking, happy staying at home. Bye.